What makes a well-written RFP? A well-written RFP has very clear, defined set of requirements. That way each vendor can respond on a similar level and we know exactly what the priorities are for the project, what the deadlines are for the project, and what are the immediate needs and goals. A well-written RFP has a very well-defined scope and can be understood by all vendors. If it's too vague, it's open to interpretation, makes it far too difficult to respond.
And I think if you're about to write one, and what would make it all the better as far as outcomes go, what would make it more successful, is making sure that you do your due diligence up front, do your homework up front, and understand what it is that your solution has to accomplish, and be able to communicate that. Understand what your success factors are once this proposal is delivered and the project's initiated and finished. How will you know you've been successful after it? You need to be able to communicate that in your RFP. If it's a technical solution, what your functional and non-functional requirements are. There's a whole course that goes along with writing requirements well, and more than we can cover in a video, but functional and non-functional requirements both have to be communicated well, as well as what your constraints are, as far as whether it's budget, personnel, timelines, etc. They all have to be communicated, and there's probably another 6 or 7 elements to an RFP that have to be done well in order for the process and the document to serve you well.
We need to know what a successful project would look like to you. What are your key success factors? And we find that really helps us.